Your phone dies at 1%. And suddenly you realize you have no charger anywhere nearby. But look around you. You may already be surrounded by power sources that can bring it back to life. And one of them might even be the phone sitting in your friend's hand. Let's start with the most common hidden power source sitting right inside your living room. Smart TVs, set-top boxes, or gaming consoles. Some devices keep standby circuitry powered, and on supported models, that can keep the USB port active. When connected, your phone's internal management chip doesn't care that power is coming from a TV instead of a wall block. It only checks whether the arriving voltage is safe. Even when the screen goes black, the charging system can still respond when external power is connected. Inside the battery, incoming current steadily fills the lithium-ion cells through electrochemical reactions. After receiving enough charge, the phone's power management system can safely boot the device back up. Now, what if you're stuck away from home entirely? Your vehicle is essentially a massive mobile backup power source sitting on wheels. When the engine runs, a serpentine belt spins the internal rotor of the alternator, turning mechanical energy into raw electrical current. The car's charging system then provides regulated power through its built-in USB ports straight to your phone's power management chip. It delivers a steady baseline charge while you drive, making your vehicle one of the most reliable backup power options during travel or emergency outages. It proves that mechanical motion under the hood can easily solve a personal tech crisis. Current flows smoothly to ensure your device regains usable power before you reach your destination. Wait, but remember that phone sitting in your friend's hand? Some modern flagship phones can actually turn their own battery into a wireless charger. Features like wireless power share allow compatible devices to transfer power wirelessly when the donor phone has enough battery remaining. Inside both phones are tiny copper coils built right beneath the back glass. The donor phone runs electricity through its transmitter coil to generate a magnetic field. When placed back to back, that magnetic field passes through the glass into the second phone, where the receiving coil captures the magnetic flux and converts it back into current. While wireless power transfer loses some energy as ambient heat, even a small amount of transferred energy can give a critically low phone enough power to become usable again. Your friend's phone effectively becomes a wireless emergency power bank in high-stakes situations. This simple alignment technique turns two standard smartphones into a collaborative emergency system. What if you are completely off the grid with zero charged devices around you? You can actually turn your own physical muscle movement into usable electricity. Emergency hand crank radios contain a compact internal generator assembly that relies on fundamental electromagnetic principles. Rotating the hand crank drives a high-ratio gear train that spins internal magnets rapidly around stationary copper wire coils. That changing magnetic field is electrical current in the wire. An internal circuit board smooths that raw energy into a regulated 5-volt signal suitable for mobile devices. With the right generator, sustained cranking can produce enough power for basic phone use, turning human physical energy directly into stored battery charge. You can also harvest energy directly from sunlight using portable solar panels designed for outdoor expeditions. Solar cells contain layers of silicon semiconductor material, engineered to capture incoming photons from daylight. When sunlight hits the silicon, its energy frees charge carriers inside the cell, creating a continuous flow of electrical current inside the panel. A compatible charging controller regulates that electricity before it reaches your phone, converting light energy directly into stored chemical energy. It provides a completely clean, silent way to recharge devices in off-grid environments or during extended blackouts. As long as there's usable sunlight, the panel can keep generating electricity continuously. Standby USB ports, car alternators, wireless induction, every method relies on getting usable electrical power safely into your phone's power management system. So when your phone dies, you're not necessarily out of options. The trick isn't finding a wall charger.
To truly survive, it's understanding where electricity is hiding.